Hello guys, hope you all are doing well, and this video is all about Nvidia, right? So Nvidia has announced their earnings next week, Wednesday, that is 26th. And how do you actually take advantage of Nvidia earnings and how you can make money out of that earnings, right? So that's what we're going to discuss on this. I'm going to show you three strategies, and if you do not even have that much capital, you can still take advantage of that. So do stick till the end of this video. I'm gonna show you how you can make advantage of this earnings even if you do not have that much capital. So with all that, let's start. Okay, the first one, right? And this strategy is I am already executing in my Robinhood account. If you see, I have sold Nvidia 150 call, and this strategy is covered call. But why it's gonna make me more money during earnings is because of the premiums, right? So if you look at the average credit that I have received by opening this position is $305, right? So that's the amount that you receive by opening this position, right? If you open this position in a normal week, you're not gonna get this much premium, but during the earnings you will get this premium, right? And I am opening this for 150. That means I have some room for this stock to grow. So how do you actually do that? I'm just gonna quickly explain this. This video would be very long if I go in all the details about how you can actually do risk mitigation on the covered call. So I'm not gonna go very deep into it. I will definitely link some other videos down in the description or somewhere in the top, so you can definitely check that out. So I'm gonna quickly discuss how you can actually do a covered call, right? So if I go to Nvidia, right, let's say right now it's doing 140, right? So what you do is you click on trade Nvidia options, and then you select sell call. This is very important that you do select sell and call here, and then you select your expiration date, which is Feb 28, right? And then you select the strike price, and the strike price that if you wanna really safe, you should select that. I'm just selecting 150. I already have a position. You can, if you let's say you select 145, right, this is gonna give you even more premium. So today while recording this, it's gonna give you like $400, right? The only condition that is required for covered call is you should own 100 shares of Nvidia stock. If you do not have 100 shares of Nvidia stock, you cannot execute this strategy, but you would be able to do the next one that I'm going to explain. For this one, you have to have 100 shares of Nvidia stock, right? So I'm just assuming that you own 100 shares of Nvidia stock. With that, this strategy would work perfectly, and the lower your average cost is better because you're gonna get capital appreciation as well as this premium, right? So coming back to this, so once you select sell call and the strike price, let's say I'm selecting 145, it's gonna show you here that it's covered call, and you can open multiple contracts. If you have, let's say, 200 shares, right, you can go to 2 contracts. If you have only 100 shares, you can do 1 contract. You're gonna select here limit price, and limit bid and ask for Nvidia is very tight because the liquidity is very high for Nvidia, so you're gonna get filled very easily, right? So if you're gonna get filled very quick, you select the bid price, or you can select the ask price. It takes some time to get it filled. I would say you can definitely select bid price. You're not gonna lose that much. So once you select that, it also shows you the graph of profit and loss here. If you're good with that, you review order, and then because I have already an position open, that's why it's saying no enough shares. Otherwise you would be able to do this. So that was the first one. Now let's move on to the next one. Okay, the next one is cash secured put, right? And that is a proven strategy to own your stock. Like if this is a condition where you do not own Nvidia stocks, but let's say you are okay to own Nvidia stock for $140, right? Or maybe you wanna own it for 135, right? So this would be a good time because they have earnings. Like I said, premiums are really high. You can definitely buy Nvidia for less, right? And with that you also get to collect premium. So how do you execute that? You go to trade Nvidia options, you do sell put, right? You select the expiration date, which is 5/28, right? And then let's say you do not want to own it for 140, you want to own it for 135, right? So you select your strike price as 135 and you're gonna receive this $375 instantly, right? To open this position, all you need is $13,500. That's the collateral you would need because you have selected 135. So 135 multiplied by 100, because every contract, remember, is equal to 100 shares. So you need $13,500 as a collateral to execute this strategy. But remember, you are actually getting it for much less, right? So it shows here, it's gonna show you the break-even price. That would be your actual price that you would be paying, right? So this is the break-even price. That's 131.20. That's the break-even price because it subtracts the premium that you already received, right? So that's why you see that. So your actual average buying price would be 131. And let's say Nvidia, after the earnings, Nvidia really shoots up and it goes more than 140, right? Your collateral would be released, but this money is already yours. So, and you can definitely use that collateral that you got for next week's. The other case is, let's say Nvidia drops, right? If Nvidia drops below 135, you're gonna buy Nvidia for 135, right? But remember, your actual break even was 131. You would be owning it for average price of this, and for further weeks you can reverse it and sell the covered call, which I explained earlier, because now you would be owning the stock. You would be owning 100 shares of that stock, so you can reverse it and sell that covered call. By the way, this one that I explained is called wheel strategy. There is a video in my channel, you can search for that, and that's gonna explain you exactly how this works. And I'm not going in very detail because I need to cover one more quick strategy that you should be using for the earnings. But definitely check out other videos in my channel. There are a lot of option related videos where you're gonna get full detail on how to mitigate any risk whatsoever in the option trading. Okay, moving on to the next one, right? Let's say you do not have this much capital, okay, but still you want to execute these strategies. So how do we do that, right? You can make use of something called NVDL, which is a leveraged one. Remember, it's 2x leveraged. So the half of what you are paying for Nvidia, this exactly tracks the Nvidia stock. If you look at the graph for this one and compare with Nvidia, this is gonna look exactly same. Only difference is it's 2x leverage. That's why you do not pay that much capital. So let's say, going back to the cash secured put option, right? So in that case you had to have $13,500 in your account to execute. But for this one you only need, let's say you go and execute a similar cash secured put strategy, select the expiry date, and then let's say you do wanna just do 65, right, strike price. If you select this one, you're gonna immediately receive $500 as credit, and that makes your break-even price even less than 60, right? And you only need to have $6,500 in your account to execute this strategy. So that is a wonderful way. If you do not have the full capital, you can definitely make use of NVDL, and you can do both covered call and cash secured put using this. Okay, the last one is let's say you do not even have money in thousands, you only have few hundreds, right? You can still take advantage of this situation, and let me show you how. So using the same NVDL example, right? So you go to trade options, you just follow this instruction because this is a little advanced strategy. I have a detailed video which I link down in the description, but if you follow this, you should be able to execute it. So once you are in this, you do sell put similar to the way we did before. You select your expiration date, so that's, let's say you select 65 as a strike price, and then you buy a put right below that, right? So let's say you do buy it here, okay, 60. So I'm just gonna give a little bit space here on the strike price so that you get good amount of premium, and this should say here put credit spread, right? This is important. Verify that it says put credit spread. Now let's see, right? So you are getting $190 as your credit amount, okay, and look at the profit and loss graph, right? You are at 50-50 profit. So you are basically putting only $500, or rather you just putting only $285 at risk right here in this trade, and you have a chance to make $200. So this is a nice way to grow your small account. Only thing is risk is little higher here, because if the Nvidia closes below $60, you're gonna lose that $285, right, in this trade. So that's the risk. If you wanna still remove or reduce that risk, you can go a bit low. So what you can do is, instead of that, you go and lower your strike price. Don't start at 65, lower your strike price to further below, right? So you do 60 and then you buy a call much below that, right? This is gonna reduce your little bit like $50 on your credit, but you also reduce your risk. Right now if you look at this graph, right, you're gonna make bit less money, you're gonna put more money at risk, but you're reducing the overall risk, because now you have more room for Nvidia to go down. As long as Nvidia closes above this $60 mark, then you're gonna keep the whole premium, right, and your collateral would be released. So that is a wonderful small account strategy that you can execute and take advantage of this upcoming Nvidia earnings. So there you have, guys, these are the 3 wonderful strategies that you can take advantage of. That you can use either Nvidia or NVDL, both works fine, depends on your capital. If you have less capital, you can go with the spread strategies. All of them are wonderful strategies to take advantage of this upcoming Nvidia earnings. We'll talk to you in my next video, guys. Till then, happy investing. Bye bye.